Hi class, so in Module 15, I have instructions on updating your scholarship questions and the use of Rhetoric worksheet. So there's a couple things that you're going to be turning in this module. The first thing, let me go over the instructions, is you're going to use those same 4 questions that you did in Module 12 for the scholarship application when you're brainstorming. But the difference in this module is you're going to expand on those and you're going to add tools of rhetoric. So you're going to update them and you're going to submit them in a Word document and label them 1 through 4. I also am asking you to submit a use of rhetoric worksheet. So the use of rhetoric worksheet looks like this. And you're going to submit this after you filled it out. So there's 11 key concepts that we learned in this class. You're going to pick 5 of them and use them throughout those 4 questions that you're going to update. Then in the use of rhetoric worksheet, you're going to put which concept you used. You're going to cut the sentences from your application, your scholarship application questions, and input them here. And then you're going to tell me how is that concept used and how does it work in your application. So, for example, say you use pathos. So you say, I use pathos, you cut the sentences where you use pathos, and then you say, by using pathos, I am persuading the scholarship committee by, and then you explain. And you do that for each tool 5 times. So 5 different tools, and then you submit this worksheet in Canvas. So, like I said, there's instructions. You submit the scholarship applications here in a Word document labeled 1 through 4. And then here is where you submit the worksheet. And the whole idea is to really encourage you to apply to scholarships. I really wish I would have. There's so much money out there. And we gave away $500,000 through the SAC Foundation last year. So spending time answering these questions and applying to scholarship is well worth your time. If it takes a couple hours, you could make $1,000 if you're awarded. So I really encourage you after we complete this class to apply to scholarships. And then always use these persuasive tools whenever maybe if you're trying to transfer and you need to write an essay about why you're a good candidate. Use these tools. They're very helpful and they work. Okay, so please, as always, email me through your Canvas inbox if you have any questions. Okay, good luck. Thank you.